Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your TCL Smart TV to your Wi-Fi. So in order to do that, you can simply navigate on your remote to the top right corner and go to the settings. So in your settings, the first thing that you're going to see is the network and internet. You can click here. And as you can see right now, I'm currently connected to this network. But if I wasn't connected, let me forget it and show you again. So then I would have seen this, and if I want to connect to this network, I can simply click on this network, click OK, and then it will prompt me to enter the password. If I click OK again, it is going to show me the keyboard and I can type in my password. And then it will connect to my Wi-Fi. So I hope this was helpful. This is how you connect your TCL Smart TV with your Wi-Fi.